Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is House for Naturals. So please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below. Click on the notification bell for new videos as well. So this is an old wash and go, a 2 days old wash and go. I have refreshed it now, so you see a kind of white residue in it, which is as a result of the gel and the water that I applied in again. I have a full video on how I achieved this curl. Kindly stay tuned and watch how I achieve this curls. Even though it's 2 days old, it still looks so nice. Please watch how I achieved these curls here. Show you all how I achieve maximum curls with Ecostyler olive oil. So this is for all hair types. It's for all hair types, and it moisturizes the hair and scalp. It leaves no flakes, and it's also anti-age. So I'm going to use the Ecostyler to achieve the curls. For my leave-in, I'm going to use Mielle Moisture RX as my leave-in conditioner. This is the Hawaiian Ginger moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Then I have my DIY oil mix here. So as usual, I'm going to work in sections. Apply my oil. It makes it very easy to manage when your hair is wet. So I'm applying my oil, not forgetting the ends. Then after that, I go in with my leave-in. Be generous with the leave-in. Not forgetting the ends. The ends are the most important part to me because they are the oldest. The roots are new growth, so they are strong, but the ends are kind of dead already, so you have to make sure the ends are well moisturized. After that, I'll go in with my Ecostyler olive oil. So I'll start from the ends. Then I start raking with my fingers. I make sure to apply the gel to my roots also, so that I don't have a puffy hair under when it's dry. Brush and start combing through. Enough gel. So I'll go ahead and do the other section. That's it. Yeah. So this is the last section. It's dry, so I'll spray it with some water to get it damp. I go in with my leave-in. Go through with my gel. Make sure the roots are coated with the gel as well, because I don't want to have puffy roots. Comb through with my fingers. Add more gel as I feel like. Then I separate the curls just to have smaller curls. I'm just separating the curls, smoothing with my fingers to get the curls out. This is how my curls are looking like. They're looking like now. I'm leaving it to air dry. I'll come and show you the results. So that is how my hair is looking like now. So thank you for watching. Please if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe by clicking on the notification bell below, then like my videos for more videos. Thank you much for watching. See you some other time. Bye.